Dumelang, welcome to another episode of Unscripted. My name is Mathawe Matsapola. Today's guest, he's an interesting guy. He's fallen so many times, but each time he rises up with a bang. Welcome, Abuti Ishmael Morabe.
Thank you for having me.
How are you?
I'm great, man. I'm cool.
I want you to take us through your journey. I know your journey has been long. You've been in the industry for 3 decades?
Yes.
Over 30 years. You've fallen so many times. But today I want you to talk to that young and upcoming artist who thinks that the entertainment industry or the music industry is about the fame, it's money and all of this, but there are so many pitfalls. Can you take us through some of the pitfalls that you've fallen into?
Well, you know, the music industry is like, it's a fun thing. Really. It's really fun, but it's just, just like any other work, life, I guess. You know, there's its ups and downs, and you know what I mean, and you just have to keep pushing. There's good days and then there's bad days. You know what I'm saying? And some of my, pitfalls are just normal vibes. You know what I'm saying? Where you know what I mean? People at some point, people don't feel you anymore. Things like that. Yeah.
But what do you do when people don't feel you anymore? Are we talking music-wise?
Yeah.
They don't feel your music anymore? What do you do when you reach that?
I think it's a matter of just keep pushing. Keep pushing, you know what I'm saying, in terms of the music. Keep trying to do something that people would like. Because at the end of the day, it's all about the music, you know what I mean?
You are back now with give me. What are we giving you? What do you want from your fans? What do you want them to give you?
Yes, people want, give me good times, give me good vibes, give me positivity, give me money, loads of it, give me all the good stuff.
Alright,
yeah.
I'm gonna go back to the first question that I asked you because I want you to prepare that young boy, that young girl who wants to be in the industry. What should they look out for? What are the dangers that they should, of the industry? I want them to be aware.
Yes. No, I mean, obviously, man, it's like the dangers are like number one, especially in our industry. You know what I mean? You have to look out for, not to fall into the trap of drugs. You have to just look out for, just bad people around you. You know what I'm saying? People that are not going to give you the right advice. The yes men around you when you are doing good. You know what I mean? And and also be honest with yourself. You know what I'm saying? And also look out for the ego. Because those are the things that will actually drop you very quickly.
It sounds like the important thing as well is the people that you surround yourself with.
Yes.
What kind of people should they surround themselves with?
Yes. Now, I think, like I said, you should surround yourself with positive people. But most of all, surround yourself with people that are honest. Very honest. If you're messing up, they should not even feel, hesitate to tell you, you're messing up. Stop surrounding yourself with people that agree with everything that you say, whether it's wrong or not.
Has it been one of your downfalls, surrounding yourself with bad people?
Not necessarily surround, but to a certain extent. You know what I'm saying? It's like, for example, people are not bad. Really, it's just
the choices you made.
Yes, and what kind of people you listen to. You understand what I'm saying? So yes.
I mean, it sounds like the drugs are sort of a trend in the music industry or in the entertainment.
Not just in the music, but you know what I'm saying, in life. In life, So it's just one of those things you have to look out for in any industry, really.
I wanted to tell us, where do you get the strength to rise up each time you fall? Where do you tap in to get the strength to come back and face the world again and still continue to create good music?
Yeah, I think the strength, I find my strength from God, you know what I'm saying? Because for me, some of the things that I have in my life, I can't really explain them. But I can only say it's God, because I'm a praying type dude, I pray a lot and gets me through situations and stuff like that. And he's the reason why, because music is always there. I've always been doing music, It's just the situations that different. So,
Okay, you're back now. There is a single. Can we expect an album from you?
Yes, definitely an album.
Give us more on that. When?
Well, the album is supposed to drop before the end of this year. But anything is possible. But obviously, we're working on an album as we speak. I haven't slept the whole weekend working on music, so.
In your upcoming album, are you going to be featuring some of the well-known artists that we?
Hopefully I'm going to be featuring some people, but obviously, you know what I'm saying, they must agree to it, you know what I'm saying, yeah. So, but yeah, I'm hoping for like nice names and stuff like that, yeah.
All right. What lessons have you learned throughout your journey? Through the falling, through the being back, what lessons have you learned?
I think the lesson that I've learned is that just keep going. Because the thing that causes problems is like when there's problems, you stop. You never go. If there's problems, keep going. You know what I'm saying? And then you see it right at the beginning.
How do you keep going when there's a problem? And what kind of problems?
Any problem. For me, it's like any problem. You keep going because life is like a ups and downs, right? But just because you're in a difficult situation, it doesn't mean you should actually give up. You need to keep pushing until you get out of the situation into the better situation. That's what I feel.
All right. Are you going to be going for the sound? I'm talking the sound of music now in the new album that you're working on. Should we expect some house? Should we expect some sort of R&B? Which signature are you now taking? Are you still going to be the old Ishmael that we all know? Or there is a different sound now?
No, obviously like Ishmael has to still be Ishmael, you know what I'm saying? But obviously I'm going to have to go with the times, you know? Because music is evolving.
It's evolving.
Yeah, so you have to also look, as much as you're keeping your own authenticity, you also, you know what I'm saying, you are aware of the times.
Have you evolved? Has Ishmael evolved?
I think I did, yeah. Yeah, there's definitely evolution in this life right there.
But what kind of sound can we expect from you?
Just expect just freshness, pure freshness and experience.
Can you give us a taste? A taste, just a taste.
A taste? No, I can't really like sing the new tracks because I haven't really, you know, just finished them. But I can sing them.
Just remind them who Ishmael is.
Afuleni amasambo, hey yeah, oh mama, oh, amen.
Oh, Ishmael is back. Thank you so much for coming through. It's good to see you.
Thank you so much for having me.
Always wanted to be a pop star, pop star, pop star. Grinding 7 days a week. Money got me losing sleep. I party just to hear my heartbeat. To keep it burning, gotta stay lit. Fire blazing. Funukuba happy stella nisiyege. Baba nkulunkulu sikhanyisele. Ukuthi khwama zethu sihlale sigcwele. Thanda ubumnandi.